no.
JJ, what is that?
Did it fall?
What's that? Show me. Airplane?
Taco.
Hot copter? Oh, yum. Hi, Ben. Whoa!
Well, you took a big bite. You got a big mouth.
JJ, show me what you have in your hand. What are you eating, JJ?
Mango.
Melon? Can you say melon? Let me see.
First time, all the time he's lived there, I seen fish in that creek.
JJ. 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 Show mommy.
Don't go worry about eating it for dinner.
Are you videoing or?
Say what?
Let me see yours, Ben.
I'm gonna have a big piece too.
I'm gonna
Ben,
crack this in
that looks like a big smiley face.
Hey, break it in half. You break it in half.
trying to.
Okay, let me help. You did it. Put one over here and save it for later.
Thanks, Grandma. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Look at JJ got a big piece on his stomach.
Let me see, JJ.
Taking it off.
You done?